Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, Tracy here with Keeper of the Home at 4D Farms. Let's talk about, hey G-Maw, what's for supper? Just a little quick video. I'm going to give you a little rundown, show you the process as we go through it. Tonight, y'all, dear hubby's favorite, Sloppy Joes. I don't get the credit. They're Pioneer Woman's Sloppy Joes. Look them up. Y'all, her mixture is the best, and I've thrown all the others away. It can replace Mamwiches too, okay? So, I'm making Pioneer Woman's Sloppy Joes. Along with that, y'all, I am pairing some of my frozen butternut squash wedges. Y'all know how I cut them up in my video of processing butternut squash. I'm taking some of the wedges tonight. And y'all, you know my secret about how I take care of the bitter flavor after vegetables have been frozen and thawed out. Okay, I opened up the bag of my wedges, steamed them in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and then took them out, strained them. Let me check my butter here, y'all. Ooh, a little bit more. Okay, strained them, and then I put them in this bowl. I'm sorry, that's my deep fryer. I put them in this bowl. I'm going to be melting some butter. I got brown sugar and cinnamon in here. And I'm going to be roasting these in my home air fryer, y'all. Okay? So, I'll just give you little snippets as we go through the process. Alright, y'all. I got the butternut squash on my baking sheets this time. No, I didn't line them with aluminum foil. I did spray them with Pam, though. And then, y'all, I put them on this baking sheet. I'm going to put them in the air fryer. But at the same time, y'all see what's left over? I'll show you what I'm going to do with that. There is so many potential ways you can use this glaze, y'all. As they're roasting and I have to rotate the trays, I'm going to be basting them still with the brown sugar glaze. Another way that you can do them is after they're cooked and they're crunchy, y'all, you can pour that glaze on top of them, or you can use it to dip them in. Ooh, you're welcome. Just another way to get another vegetable in you, y'all, and butternut squash. So now, let's go get our Sloppy Joes ready to start cooking. All right, y'all, you see that? Got the Sloppy Joes going. I just put my onions, and y'all see them red things in there, those red chunks? Y'all, that was a jar of my home canned roasted peppers. Have y'all seen the video on that one and you want to know how to grow your own peppers and bring them in from the garden and roast them and freeze them? Y'all check out that video. I just added some of those in here. And like I said, y'all, this is her recipe. She uses bell peppers in hers, but I'm using some of my roasted bell peppers. All right, so we got the Sloppy Joes going there. And then right here, y'all, we got them beautiful, sorry y'all, I dropped you. Some of them beautiful butternut squash going. Let me hit the light there so you can see them. Is this fixing to make a mess in my air fryer? Yeah, probably. But y'all see that tray in the bottom? Y'all, that's removable and it's dishwasher safe. I can throw the racks and the tray in the bottom in my dishwasher. There you go. So we're just going to let these simmer, roast, and we'll be right back. Sloppy Joe's still hanging out, simmering. Show you what we're going to do with them next. I have rotated the trays. Now for my next trick. Abracadabra. We're going to baste. Start basting. Y'all, when I opened up this oven door, let me tell y'all, kind of smelt a little folly in here, but kind of like at the carnival too. Gonna baste. Okay. Y'all, these things are getting crunchy and crispy. I'm only going to put these in there just for maybe like 3 more minutes, y'all. Just to finish them off and get that goodness in there with this brown sugar, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right, let me finish doing that. Got those going again, y'all. All right, we're going to finish letting those cook. Let's show you what we're going to do with these sloppy joes. Y'all know there's a lot of ways you can serve sloppy joes, right? Hamburger buns, bread, all such as that. Got a video where I showed y'all how to do some Hot Pockets, sloppy joe, like pot pie or shepherd's pie, something like that, using canned biscuits. Y'all go look at all those videos, okay, of how I do sloppy joes different ways. Tonight I'm going to do them like this in the air fryer. I'm going to toast them up. Got some buns down here. I'm going to toast my buns, y'all. Okay, come on, laugh. That was a joke. And then I got some frozen mozzarella cheese on top, or Monterey Jack cheese from the freezer. Sprinkled it on top. Got just one, I had one little slice of Velveeta cheese, y'all, left, so I halved it between us to get rid of it. I'm going to toast these up in the air fryer. Then we're going to plate this up. Let you see what it looks like. Here you have it, guys. There's your toasted sloppy joes. And then there is those butternut squash wedges. Y'all, I took the rest of that glaze and just drizzled it on top. We toasted these up. We plated them up. There you go. That's what's for supper. I'll see y'all in the next one.